My name is Dr. Brad Fackrell from Synergy Spine and Nerve Center. Today we're going to be demonstrating how to use the over-the-door traction, which is part of the Pedibon system of traction. So as we're starting to do the over-the-door traction, there are a couple of things that are really important as you get started. First of all, the feet have to be touching the wall, or in your case, probably the door. The knees also should be in a position where they're going to be touching the wall as well. There are four major things that happen when you regularly use the over-the-door traction. The first is it's going to help you restore the cervical curve. Maybe you've got a straight neck, or maybe even have a reversal of the curve in your neck. That's going to be really important to help get the joints to move so that you can get that restoration of the curve. Next thing is it's going to help to accelerate any rehab. Maybe you've been in an accident, maybe there's some scar tissue that's been forming, maybe there's even some old scar tissue, degeneration and arthritis that's there. So that's really going to help that. It's going to really help in rehydrating the discs. When you see what happens when we do this, it literally causes a disc pump, and those discs just open up and really flushes water in there. The other thing that's important is it helps to flush out any toxins that are there in the joint as well. When you position the neck piece, all you're going to do is make sure that it is in the middle of your neck and not off to the side like this, but make sure that it's in the middle. The other thing is her toes are against the wall. Her knees are going to be against the wall. And then her palms are going to be facing her as she holds that part that's going to come about underneath her chin. As she goes down each time, she's going to go 3 seconds. Hold for 3 seconds, then come up. And you don't have to pause very long at the top. You just go right back into another repetition. Each repetition, you want to do about 10 repetitions when you're first starting to do this. And then over the course of a few days, a few weeks, a few months, however long that's appropriate for you, you want to build up to doing about 60 repetitions a day. Now, sometimes when you start doing this, it can create some soreness in the neck. You're really opening up those joints and you're forcing motion to take place. Sometimes that can cause some soreness. That is not bad. It is actually healthy in the healing process. But if you are sore, it's okay to use a little bit of ice afterwards, just to kind of ease that. And once you build up to 60 repetitions, the goal is just to maintain that. Hopefully this video has been helpful for you. As you get in the habit of using the over-the-door traction, it's going to improve the mobility of your neck and help you become healthier.